3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Warehouse, where we keep all the stuff that doesn't fit in the packing warehouse, and then we run out over there, move it over here, so everything is dated, first in, first out. But yeah, this place is packed with product. Brand new pre-workout E3. That's our creatine powder. A couple pallets of Super Red. This is protein. We know how much you've been wanting it, and we've been moving a lot.
We spent a lot of money to invest to make sure that we did not run out of stock.
But yeah, dude, look at this. Just look at this.
3, 2.
We have a ton of stuff. We got a lot of inventory.
It's gonna bless a lot of people.
Yeah. Lots of inventory ready to ship to you guys.
See link on my bio and take the free tour.